Example 4.5. A straight wire carrying a current of 12 amps is bent into a semicircular arc of radius 2 cm as shown in the figure. Consider the magnetic field B at the center of the arc. What is the magnetic field due to the straight segment? In what way the contribution to B from the semicircle differs from that of a circular loop, and in what way does it resembles? Third part, would your answer be different if the wire were bent into a semicircular arc of the same radius but in the opposite way as shown in the figure? Okay, first we will visualize. Here two semicirculars are given. The first one is this, second one they are keeping in this direction. First step is question number, first part A, what is the magnetic field due to straight segment? This is the straight segment. This is a curved portion. Again, it is straight. What is the magnetic field due to this? Field due to straight, the straight part lies along the same line passing through the center. See, suppose this is the center, it is passing through the center in the same line. In other words, DL is parallel to R. DL is parallel to R, therefore sin theta equal to 0. Therefore, magnetic field is 0. Due to straight portion, there is no magnetic field. Now, what is the magnetic field at the center of the semicircle? What is the formula for magnetic field at the center of the circle? That is B equal to mu 0 I by 2R. This is semicircle. Full circle mu 0 I by 2R. Half circle mu 0 I by 2R into half. That is mu 0 I by 4R. Magnetic field at the semicircle is mu 0 I by 4. Now we'll substitute all the given values. Mu 0, 4 pi into 10 to the power minus 7. Current is 12 divided by radius is 0.022 centimeter, 0.02 meter. If you simplify, you are getting the answer nearly 2 into 10 to the power minus 4 Tesla. Now we'll go for the third part. Is there any change in the magnetic field? In this case, same loop, same semicircular loop, but kept in this way. But in the magnitude, there is no change because see the formula, it is mu 0 I by 2R. Everything remains same. Magnitude remains same, but direction reverses. Direction of the magnetic field is opposite to that of the first.